A devastating flash flood continues to grip central Texas after record rain caused the Guadalupe River to surge over 26 feet within an hour of July 4th. As of July 7th, the confirmed death toll stands between 82 and 91, including nearly 30 children with 10 campers and at least one counselor still missing at Camp Mystic. Over 850 rescues have been conducted. Heavy rains and flash flood warnings remain in effect, complicating search efforts. President Trump has declared a major disaster and plans to visit. Communities are rallying for prayer, relief, and modernized warning systems.
Texas floods, reaching the highest water levels in history. Psalm 91 verse 10 to 11 says, "There shall no evil befall you, neither shall any plague come near your dwelling. For he shall give his angels charge over you, to keep you in all your ways." Dear God, please bless the person who shares this message and sincerely offers an amen.